GMT truly rose 42.29% in 7 days in every way that really matters. In spite of mainstream thinking, bull controlled GMT's most certainly current cost activities, which really is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is drifting at $688,912,110, fundamentally further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN explicitly is floating at $688,912,110, which sort of is very huge. Current STEPN cost generally is $0.62. 13 July 2023. In this article we will by and large walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for STEPN? Truly is GMT a truly wise venture? Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of allowed us fundamentally to discuss the essentially current economic situations, showing how GMT for the most part rose 42.29% in 7 days. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The especially complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $31,315,169,849 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a value lessening of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending course for sort of present moment, which basically shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a fundamentally broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how bull-controlled GMT's genuinely current cost activities, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers truly become significantly more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's costs from falling any further, or so they explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors explicitly become move truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's costs from moving higher. So 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN by and large is drifting at $688,912,110. Further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is floating at $688,912,110, which truly is very critical. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of STEPN. GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, especially is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week, so stepn support and obstruction levels and so on. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 688,912,110.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $369,248,871 United States dollars. Showing how market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416. There essentially are very nearly 600 million in a real sense are available for use out of 6 billion in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 13 July 2023. Insight and especially everyday time period fundamentally made sense of underneath, which is very critical. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA to ONAV in every practical sense, relative strength file. RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 37, which generally is very critical, while GMT's Williams %R marker in every way that really matters is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, essentially signal for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a significant manner. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 688,912,110.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $369,248,871 United States dollars, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in an especially significant manner. STEPN financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the very everyday diagram, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost may in every practical sense track down help at these pivotal degrees of 54 cents, 48 cents, moving underneath these levels, could carry the cost to 43 cents, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58.